Good evening to all. I welcome you all to another playlist of mine focusing on the concepts of the data mining, especially in the domain of machine learning. We all know that machine learning has contributed a lot towards the big data analysis, and one of the areas where I'm going to focus, especially in this particular playlist, will be on data mining. Now, what is Veka? As the title shows, data mining and Veka. Veka is yet another software, which has been developed, and I'll be sharing more details about it as we progress further into my playlist. Here, you would see that yes, Veka has contributed a lot towards the data mining, especially with respect to the big data analysis. And while I myself was learning more and more about the machine learning concepts and the way we can really play with the data that has been collected from our side, Veka has been able to help me out to proceed further with my quantitative analysis. So here I go ahead with special focus on data mining, and we would see a lot of things from a very different perspectives and try to understand the data that has been collected from our end after lots of efforts, number one. Number two, the time that has been invested into it. And thirdly, I would say the amount of cost that is also involved in collecting that particular data. If that is so, how Veka is going to help me out to understand the data mining, number one. Number two, what kind of quantitative research can be done with help of Veka is also another point that I would love to see. And how is it going to be useful in our own publications is also something that I'm going to showcase to each one of you while I'm walking through the entire playlist. And I would welcome each one of you to watch them carefully and see how much contribution has been provided through the software of Veka, and how nicely we can use it in terms of free and open source software. So I thank the entire team who had been able to develop this particular software, number one. Number two, and even the main person behind it who turned out to be one of my mentors, and the manner I was trying to raise certain questions, why, what for, and how to use it, certain subtleties that I really wanted to know sometime, so that I can clarify my own concepts of data mining, especially using the machine learning. So I'm not going to use any kind of programming or coding out here or any kind of a script. However, at the background, Veka as a software has been able to take care of it. What we are looking for is to work with our own data in the software, the results which are there, and how nicely we can understand and use that quantitative, I should say, results or the output that has come for us. Presented by the software, and how we can interpret it so that we can go ahead with our own publications. And during my second walk towards the understanding of this particular software, I'll be showcasing to you the number of papers that has been published, and the while I was trying to learn, not I would say learn to take out the literature review systematically, that is SLR. I was trying to understand whether Veka had contributed towards that or not. So one of the domain, or I should say the review that I focused upon was on Veka. As a tool which has been able to help me out to understand the data mining concepts using the machine learning domain, number one. Number two, to see how well the results were there, and later on how it helped me to arrive at certain things. So with this at background of mine, I would be touching upon each one of these points as and when I would be picking up one of the papers, maybe with highest citation citations, I would say highest number of the citation, or with the latest contemporary paper wherein they have used, apart from learning about the software itself. So with that, I'm going to end my introduction towards data mining as it is done in machine learning, and we will see how it has been taken care by the open and free source like Weka. So thanks for watching, and let me come back with yet another walk wherein we can know more about Weka. Till then, take care and bye.